Hey everyone. So for the final chapter of the semester, man, it's amazing how quickly the summer goes. But for chapter 13, all about comparative global industrial relations. And there's a reason, this chapter is last. One, we this class is on American, collective bargaining agreements and American labor history and things along that. So we focus on that. But it's important to recognize that, we're just one small cog in the machine. There's a whole world out there beyond us, where labor and industrial relations are a major part of society and their culture. So, and the project assignments we've done all semester have been kind of to reinforce that, to give you some exposure to how the working life is like for other countries throughout the world. So in chapter 13 is really just kind of a summary, really, of a lot of the things that we've been doing in all three project assignments. So I'm not going to test you on the final exam to say, oh, tell me in England how they do this, or in Italy how they do this, or Germany. I won't be doing any of that. But again, there are two things out of chapter 13 that I think are really important for you to know. One is, you read about the International Labor Organization, which is an international group, that really designs is to look at labor kind of on a broad spectrum and figure out, what are some ways that we can promote certain things, some standards, some, things that are related to certain collective bargaining agreements, worldwide. What are some bare minimums, some standards that might help us when we're looking at collective bargaining agreements. So make sure you understand what the International Labor Organization is designed to do and how it exerts its influence throughout the world. So, and kind of on a smaller level from that is, your book talks about, and this is really popular in Europe, the idea about work councils, where in a lot of countries, it's legally required, where you have, a smaller group of union employees, who work, and not just union employees, but, management groups and different outside, unions and things that kind of do the same thing. They look at the laws in the local country, and they try to find ways, to be more collaborative, to find, ways that they can agree with each other and find different ways, to really promote harmony, if you will. So those are really the two main things that I want you to know for chapter 13 about International Labor Organization and work councils themselves. So again, it's been such a great semester. Thanks everybody for paying attention to these lectures. And again, they're really designed to kind of give you overviews, but again, should really help you with the final exam. Thanks everyone.